Hi guys, so today I just wanted to do a short video of how to integrate your Pinterest and Etsy account. So I had a client and a new client, and we're trying to leverage Pinterest to bring in sales for her. And she's my first Etsy client. So there's a lot of learning curve for me involved here as well. So when I did a lot of Googling as to how do you integrate Pinterest and Etsy because it's different from WordPress, I didn't really find anything. Then I mailed Etsy and they did not help me. Uh, so I tried to get into the account and figure it out myself. But the one thing I did find was I read a couple of posts where they basically said if you have a patterns account by Etsy, then you can integrate Pinterest with it. If you do not, then it's going to be challenging. So I just got into my client's dashboard and figured, maybe I can play around and figure it out. And Eureka, I found it. So what I did was you log into the patterns account, you go into marketing, and you paste your verification code here. So I'm going to go to my client's account, go to analytics, overview. Okay, hold on. Okay, being a little slow, forgive me for that. So you see how it's not confirmed? I'm gonna hit confirm. I'm gonna copy this code, go to Etsy, and I'm gonna paste it here. Say connect. Okay, so now I'm gonna see what happens here. Okay, it's done. So I'm gonna now check how to enable rich pins and make another video for you guys soon. So let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions. Have a great day. Bye.